Hey, what is up, everybody? It's me, Lucas Films, back with another video. In today's video, we are actually going to be doing some couple battles. Now, if you look at our deck, we did get the golem. We're going to try to get the, if we open this crown chest, we're going to try to get 1,000 gold so we can purchase the tornado. But we're going to, do one, and we're going to see if we get a legendary. Because we did get the Sparky from the legendary. Now, this deck is pretty going good, Now these legendaries are pretty insane. Like they always give me wins, and it's pretty fun. Now we are at 1,700 trophies, like exact. So that's pretty cool. And we're gonna be doing a 2v2 touchdown daily practice probably tomorrow if we have time. And yeah, so that's mostly what we're gonna be doing in this video. So let's go ahead and get into a battle. Oh, we did get the golems level 2, by the way. Because we did get Brave them. Now this guy's pretty. This guy's from Panda Scene. That's from Nick and Night. I watched it today, and it's pretty cool to watch. Now sending the golem with the minions behind. Okay, nice. The minions lock onto the golem. The golem has a lot of health, which is pretty good. Gonna get a couple hits on there, and dang. Okay, there we go. Nice. Their deadness takes out. Okay, send the Sparky. That what we got. Come on, charge Sparky, charge. Nice. One hit is okay. We don't got two. Bro, he just did two. That is pretty freaking insane. Get minions right here. Because our baby dragons are only level 1, which is pretty kind of messed up. But we can work with it. So we're gonna try to do a little golem push on this. Now this, I just noticed this guy's level 9. Get in from the dragon, but we have every stop to whatever he puts. There we go. Come on, golem. Don't let them lock on to the infernal dragon. No, only half. Okay, get those fire spirits. No, one succeeds. Arrow, just for one. Boom. Okay, there we go, guys. Okay. Okay, that sucks. But we are about to destroy a level 9. That's pretty insane. He's gonna take out the terror. It's alright. He's not gonna take out both. We did get a hit. We're gonna send in the Sparky again, because it is beast. Come on, Sparky, get one hit at least. Can we get two? Guys, okay, fireball for fun. Is it a good game? Baby dragons everywhere. Flying troops everywhere. Everything. Good game, guys. We just did it. We're about to open that crown chest and get the tornado now. We got a golden chest. If we got a legendary chest, then what legendaries are here? So we can either get. Oh, I got the Sparky from the builder workshop. Oh, that's pretty nice. The log we could either get, or the miner. Now I'd rather get the princess or the electro wizard from Arena 7 Royale Arena. I'm not gonna do that though. So this crown chest, I believe. Okay, 386 gold, 4 gems, 4 mortars, 12 barbarians, 31 bombers. So we're gonna get 17 rares. 5. Okay, so we didn't end up getting the a legendary, but we did get enough for that tornado. Let's go, guys. I'm probably gonna be doing a video with the tornado because we're running out of space quickly sometimes. I just hated that like it shows 400 to go to upgrade to like a freeze, right? But like once you press it for gold, like cause like it'll be better if it was just red. But we're gonna put all our stuff in rarity. So all our legendaries. So the best troop right now is the Pecker. Now, where should we put this tornado for next video? We'll put the tornado probably right here with the arrows. Yeah, and it's 3, isn't it? How much is it? Yeah, 3 elixir. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably gonna be doing the next one in probably like an hour or so if I can. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Comment down below if you guys want me do the 2v2 touchdown daily practice. And yeah, guys, peace out.